just open up briefly. This is an historic summit. And I know that responding to the climate crisis is paramount in all of your minds. It's at the core of, it's going to be even more so at the core of our relationship going forward, I'm convinced. And the Pacific Islands are unfortunately on both lines of the, both of the front lines of the climate crisis, because you are in the middle of the ocean. You are suffering right now already the extraordinary circumstances of sea level rise and of intensity of storms. And we have a very deep interest, and I think you know it from our previous encounters, a good sense of responsibility and a desire to want to support you in every way that we can to be able to respond to the crisis. Very much look forward to the discussion today, where we're going to exchange views about how we can best move forward, how we can deepen cooperation, and where we can ramp up our efforts with respect to your communities, responding to the impacts and supporting those communities to be able to secure renewable energy, as well as able to deal with the issue of resilience and adaptation. So we've got some time left if we meet our goals. I think it's critical for all of us to do everything in our power to be able to respond to this, and I know you have plenty to say as we open up this session for this afternoon. So thank you very, very much for traveling to here, for being here. I know President Biden is very much looking forward to meeting tomorrow, and we look forward to really carving a path ahead. I'll just say one thing, last thing. Remembering Paris in 2015, 2016, you folks and our friend, the late Tony Broom, were instrumental in getting people to focus on the 1.5 degrees. It really came from your persistence and your commitment. So I want to thank you for that. It's made a difference to the world. As you know, in Glasgow, that is the target that was adopted. So it's a tribute to your commitment and persistence, and we thank you very much for that.